That's too far.
Mommy, that's so rowdy, rowdy.
Again.
Bakla. Ang number 3 natin, Mommy, bakla.
Kasyo.
Hey, don't laugh.
Oh, sorry. What? Bakla daw ko na number 3 niya. Ba't siya? Ginliwat niya man. Ito, ulitin mo to, pangit. Arang-arang na ni, oh. Ulitin mo tong dalawa. Oh, yan. Bakla ang number 3 natin, mami. Sabihin niya ganda.
Mommy, ba?
Oh, sorry. Sige na. Liwatan na. Ang ginaboy-aboy mo na. Oh, sige na. Ayuhan na ha. Ba't liwat? Ayan, very good. Oh, ito na. Wordings. Ito, ulitin mo to. Bakit hindi klaro? Sige, ulitin mo yan. Sige, trace mo na yan.
Hi guys, look at my bells.
Wow, is this your design?
Yeah, 2 of them are rainbows, but no rainbows.
Oh, very good. I love your designs. Such a good job.
Wait time!
Not yet. How about the wordings? You haven't tried it.
Oh my god, sorry.
Enjoy your writings. Don't forget to smile. That makes a beautiful day.
Bobby,
Mm.
I think, that's the trucks have a crash.
Okay, continue.
Apple.
Okay, just continue writing. Enjoy writing. H. Very good. E. Assist you one more time. To remind you. There you go. Like this. Look. Focus. 1, 2. Again, ha? Observe. 1, 2.
Sorry.
Oh, tingin.